Going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be installing some camber bolts for the Sentra. Cause I have some 18x9 -10 offset wheels, 3-piece work wheels, and they kind of do stick out a lot. So we're gonna get a baby camber for the front. So for this job, we're gonna need an impact drill or wrenches, a 20mm socket, and pretty much it. So we basically straightforward. What we have to do is simple. Sorry, I have the allergies. Unloosen this bolt, unloosen the bottom bolt. Both bolts. The one you're gonna take off all the way is the first one. The second one you're just gonna unloosen it. So let's get that going. Okay, let's untie these bolts. When you have tools, you can take everything off real quick, like that. So this one we're gonna leave it in here. Second one we're just gonna loosen up. I need to buy deeper sockets. Okay, that one's loosened. So let me show you how the bolts work. So I got these from eBay for 16 bucks. That's how they came. As you can see, they have a little groove here. So what you want to do is take that bolt off and insert it the same way, same direction. And from what I understand, this washer, if you push it, you put it to the back. This little dab, is it facing to the back, it's negative, and you face it to the front, it's positive camber. But I'll show you exactly how it works, so y'all can adjust it on here. It's pretty simple. Okay, so I have the bolt in here, but it's not tightened. It's not tightened all the way. The tab's to the back. I don't know if you can see it very well. Let me get a flashlight real quick. Okay, so you see the dabs on the back. So to adjust this, we're gonna turn this side. We're gonna turn the left side, this side, but this side is not gonna be tight. So that way, this can be freely moved back and forth. And then remember to unloosen the bottom bolt. So let's do that right now. Okay, so we're gonna start turning this bolt to the back, and you're gonna see this knuckle turn start slanting inwards. I think that's most, because if you do it more, it's just gonna go back forward, so you put it back. If you really want to get an adjustment, you can get a measuring tape and measure from here all the way to the sidewall, and so you can have the same distance on both sides. So I'm gonna do that and show y'all, so y'all can see. I grabbed the tape measure. Hold on, give me a sec. So I grabbed the tape measure, put it behind the wall, back there, and we're gonna measure all the way to this break here. So that way, that's how we can get our measurements from the distance. So both sides can be the same. That way we know how much to adjust here on both sides. So I think this one reads 11 inches exactly. So we're gonna do that on the same side, on the other side. Okay, let's take the side off. Like I said, power tools make life easy. Just like that is off. And now we're gonna loosen up the bottom one real quick. Just loosen it up, not all the way. There you go. You wanna loosen up the bottom one so this can move freely back and forth. So we're gonna twist this bolt to get our camber adjustment. This should be going in after you twist, which it is, as you can tell. Remember, the other side was 11 inches from the wall to the brake disc, so I think that was a lot right there. Okay, let's measure real quick. Should be 11 inches. Yep, that's correct. 11 inches. Perfect. So now all we do is tighten this up. So it's all done and set, all tightened. So one bolt is gonna give you either positive or negative 1.75 offset camber. If you want 3.50, you're gonna have to add another bolt at the bottom to give you a total of 3.5. So that's it, guys, for this video. For installing and adjusting camber bolts. It totally slipped out of my mind to do it before and after. Wanted to get this done quick because I do work later on today and I didn't want to be late for work. But if you do want to catch a result of the camber adjustment or the fitment on my wheels with this 1.5 camber, you can visit my page, my Instagram at prestige_B17. And also, if you want 50% off, or I believe it's 10% off, stickerboost.com or sickspeed.com. You can also enter promo code prestige_B17. So if you like this video, guys, I mean, nothing crazy today, share it, give it a thumbs up, like it, comment. If you have any more suggestions on how to get more camber, just a tiny bit. I'm looking forward to do -5 all around. On my next video, I will install camber plates for the rear. So stay tuned for that. And then, until then, catch you on the next one. Laters.